In today's video, I will be showing you how I hydrate, moisturize, and seal my hair. Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel Self-Care Voyage. My wonderful subscribers, thank you for being here once again. And if you're visiting for the first time, I hope you find value in today's video. Let's get into the video, shall we? So I'll be using the Jamaican black castor oil mixed with a herbal hair oil, my herbal hair tea, and a melanin hair care twist elongating style cream. So it's always best to work in sections, okay? And I'm starting off by applying my herbal hair tea to my scalp. This herbal hair tea is made from rosemary, amla, fenugreek, bringrage, lavender, and hibiscus. So I like to give myself a good scalp massage because I would like for the blood to be flowing nicely to my scalp to stimulate hair growth. So the benefits of these herbs are amazing, and of course they do promote hair growth, and it's one of the reasons why I love to apply it to my scalp so that my hair will grow stronger and faster. Now I'm applying the herbal hair tea to my hair strands because I want my hair strands to be hydrated, and never forget your ends. I like to work from my scalp to my ends, and I detangle my hair by separating my strands gently. So I'm just gonna completely saturate my hair with my herbal hair tea to get all its benefits. And I'll just work it down my strands and detangle as I go along. Always be gentle, no need to rush, and detangle my hair gently to minimize breakage so that I can retain as much length as I can. I'm not trying to force my hair to do anything it doesn't want to. I just work with it as it is. And remember, scalp massage is very important. Now I'm using a dropper because at the time of filming I did not have my mist bottle. And to get that hydration in, I like to squeeze my hair, like a gentle squeeze in motion to get the hair tea to penetrate my strands. So now I'm just applying the melanin hair care twist elongating style cream, and this is what I use as my moisturizer. So I'm using this to help to lock in my hydration. And I distribute it by passing my hands gently down my strands, and at the same time I detangle. So it's like killing several birds with one stone. As I detangle my hair, I am also distributing the products on my hair. Gently smooth it and squeeze it all in. Now I'm going to apply my herbal oil mix, and this is how I seal. A gentle squeezing motion is my favorite thing to do because I really don't like tugging on my hair. I would just end up with a headache. And now I apply the oil to my ends. Remember, your ends are the oldest, so you must be mindful when taking care of your end. As you see, I'm just patting in that oil. I am not pulling on my ends. I'm not tugging at them. I don't want my ends snapping off. Now, this is how I try to detect knots by passing my thumb and index finger over my strands, and you'll be able to feel some bulky areas, and that will indicate that there's a knot in that area, and you can just go in and gently separate the strands, and the shed hair, they will come out quite easily. So I'm gently working in the product, the hair tea and the cream, as well as the oil. Work it into my ends and also remove shed hair. So at this point, I am going to do a 2-strand twist. So I'm gently trying to separate my hair into 2 sections. And then we're going to twist it up. I'm not tugging on my hair. It's a nice tension-free twist that will help to keep my hair stretched and to lock in that hydration for much longer, because when your hair strands are together, then the moisture cannot easily escape back into the atmosphere. And so I'm being gentle with my ends. I do not trim my ends. I do the search and destroy method. Now you see me twisting my end on my hair, and that helps to keep my ends nice and safe. And that's how I hydrate, moisturize, and seal my hair. Now, feel free to modify my techniques and my hair care strategies to suit your hair's needs. In addition, find the best hair care ingredients that work for you. Continue to nurture your strands, take great care of them, and they will flourish. Treat them with love, and until next time, remember, your self-care journey starts now.